Hey everyone, Linus here. Let's talk storage. These days we're creating more data than ever. Photos, videos, huge game files. It adds up fast. You need a drive that can keep up, and that's where the SanDisk 2TB Extreme Portable SSD comes in. This little guy is a beast when it comes to performance. We're talking blazing fast read and write speeds. Up to 1050 megabytes per second read, 1000 megabytes per second write. That means transferring those massive files in a flash. No more waiting around for your computer to catch up. Plus, with 2 terabytes of storage, you've got plenty of space for all your stuff. But speed isn't everything, right? Security matters too, and SanDisk knows it. That's why they've packed this SSD with AES 256-bit hardware encryption. Your data is locked down tight, protected from unauthorized access, so you can breathe easy knowing your files are safe and sound. Now let's talk about design. This SSD is seriously tough. It's got a rugged rubberized casing that can take a beating. Drop it, bump it, toss it in your bag. This thing can handle it. And despite its ruggedness, it's surprisingly compact. I'm talking small enough to fit in your pocket. Take your entire digital life with you wherever you go. No bulk, no hassle. But wait, there's more. It's also IP55 rated. That means it's dust resistant and can handle a splash of water. Perfect for those on-the-go adventures. Whether you're editing photos in the field or just need a reliable drive for everyday use, this SSD can keep up. Security is more important than ever these days, and SanDisk doesn't mess around. The Extreme Portable SSD comes with AES 256-bit hardware encryption. That's the gold standard for data protection. What does that mean for you? Your files are locked down tight. No one can access them without the proper credentials, so you can rest assured your data is safe and sound, even if your drive falls into the wrong hands. So, there you have it. The SanDisk 2TB Extreme Portable SSD is a game changer. It's got the speed, the security, and the durability to handle anything you throw at it, whether you're a professional photographer, a gamer, or just need a reliable drive for everyday use. This SSD is a winner. It's small enough to take anywhere, tough enough to handle the bumps and bruises of life, and fast enough to keep up with your demanding workflow. If you're in the market for a new SSD, look no further. The SanDisk 2TB Extreme Portable SSD is the real deal.